With just under 20 million people, Senegal are some way down the list of most populous African countries. Yet they have attained a status as one of the continent's footballing powerhouses. So how have they done it? Quite simply, a relentless focus on youth development, which, for some time now, has been providing supremely talented players. It means their academies are the envy of Africa.
L'académie est fondée par, nous avons 4 membres fondateurs, Jimmy Adjobiboko, Bernard Lama, Patrick Vera et CRC qui est le président. Donc le projet a commencé depuis 1997. Donc aujourd'hui, si on regarde bien les dernières années, que ce soit la CAN qu'on a gagnée, l'équipe est composée de jeunes issus des centres de formation.
L'académie apprend aux autres à être disciplinés, à s'entraider et avoir de bonnes valeurs.
The 2021 triumph was the culmination of years of hard work at every level of the game. And, as is often the case, being able to see their idols become champions sparked another new wave of enthusiasm amongst the country's youth.
Sénégal.
Last time around, it was penalty pain for Senegal, losing out in the round of 16 to hosts and eventual winners Côte d'Ivoire. But that hasn't dimmed the enthusiasm or expectation for another successful campaign in Morocco.